Ka National People's Party NPP ha ka hinyo trik jemang kala Pynbna ba ya u President ka Khasi Authors Society u Dr. DRL Nonglait kum u kyrtong ka party syak election shiteng samoy jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha ha ka jingalang balawan ya shimbenta da palat shipawa jarngun kinong kershan. Habakren ha ka jingalang u National President bat Menteri Rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ula penpawi ka jing ngos kem baka party kan job ha kan election shiteng samai da ka baong ka NPP kala yo ya ukertong uba biang tam uban mi ya ai reng ha kan election shiteng samai ngam tharai baki wei ke sengsan perthei kin yo ya ukertong uba kambyang ban ya u Dr. DRL Nonglait ubriu uba ngai baki kam ki dei ke ba kam kongsan ubriu ubala le ya ka e ka ba ukren ubriu ubala pensisya la di bat ubriu bangai na kabenta ban penyateli ya ki briu jongi om ban penpat penpra ya ki ong Conrad. Ka jingmi ka jong u kum ukertong jongi ngai ba ka ni ka dei ka clip man ka jongi bat ngatip bada ka jing tre shitom jong iwei pa iwei yen yo ya ka jing job ha ka ni election ula ong. Haba pediang sngoba ya u Dr. Nonglait syaka party u Conrad ula ong. Ka NPP barabor ka donni ka jingat bangi deban iet yala ka jongga kendau ka syam daki kam om tang raktien. Ula ai khoblei ru ya u Dr. Nonglait bat ya ka kas haluar ka benta ka bakila shim ban penyo ya ka jing ithu ya ka ktien khasi bat garo kum ka ktien sarkar ni official language. Khoblei shibon ya phi Dr. Nonglait namar jong phi bat nga banbyang namar jong phi bat ka kas bat ka achik society. Khublei namar ki jing persyang jong phi menta ka ktien khasi bat garo kila dei ki ktien sarkar jong ka jela ula ong. U Conrad ula penpau ru ya ka jing kendit ban yo i ya ka jing wan ya shimbenta jong ki pat ba billion sya ka ni ka jing alang da ka ba ong. La pentip syanga da working president ba Hamlet Dotling ba kila pen kre ya ka ni ka jing alang na ka benta lai hajar ngut ki beriau. Henry ka jing wan poi jong ki pat ba kalakan sya ka palat shipawa jarngon. Ka kubor ke badan kalong ka jingyo jingkershan bang yo i menta kasngi na kabenta u Dr. DRL Nonglait kum ukertong pat na kabenta ke NPP kalong shisha ka baay mensim. Ulapan pa ka NPP hi ka yang sa jingay bha na ka kamsan perthei ka ba penyapat ya pra. Kat ba kidan ke sengsan perthei ke baya kunting e ban pia ya ka jela bat ban pentre kam ya ka san perthei ka ba penyapat ya pra bat penmi ya ka jinga syun hang ne ka dan ka seng san perthei ka bangai ha ka jinglong para briu ka bangai ha ka jinga iet bat ka jinga teli ha pedeng baro kinong syong snong bat ban yalam ya ka jela syak lenti jong ka roi ka par ula ong habaya ro e ka jinglong ba shisha jong u Dr. Nonglait u Conrad ula ong ngas ngo buram shisha ba menta ka singi ngilala ban ptiang ya u briu shimen urang ba ubam dan kam ban pen ithu nalor balong na pedeng ki top 10 professor ha pedeng ki khasi ha Meghalaya nalor badan ha ka Khasi Authors Society la palat ar for arsnam batlong president ya palat khat arsnam u Dr. Nonglait ha ka shikentien u dei ubriu uba impale bat bas ngoren uba iet ikipat ba bat uba iet ya ka jela.
Thank you, Dr. Nonglait. Because of you, and I repeat, because of you and the Khasi Authors Society and the Archaic Literature Society, I was made to speak in all the 3 official languages before I started my rest of my speech. So since all the 3 languages are official, it is only appropriate that I at least speak one line in each of the languages. Thank you, Dr. Nonglait, for your efforts, because of which today Khasi and Garo are also official languages. Members and office bearers of the National Committee who are present out here, all the office bearers of our state committee, all our office bearers of the frontal organizations, our official candidate, Dr. DRL Nonglait, all the supporters, leaders, workers from different parts of Khasi Jaintia region of the National People's Party, our respected Deputy Chief Ministers and Ministers, all our respected MLAs and MDCs, ladies and gentlemen. I was just informed by our working president, Ba Hamletson Darling. He was slightly nervous when he came to me. He said, "Sir, we had prepared this venue and arrangements for 3,000 people. But we have calculated that there are approximately 10,000 people who have come here today. And now we have to make arrangements for all the rest of the 7,000 people also. I request those who have come, please be patient. We will ensure that you are taken care of. But more importantly, the message that is there in the kind of support that we are seeing today for the candidature of Dr. DRL Nonglait and for the National People's Party is truly, truly encouraging. And friends, the reason why today more and more people are looking towards the National People's Party and are desiring to support the party is because, as Dr. Nonglait has mentioned, people of our state have gone through many phases. We have faced many difficulties and many challenges through generations, through decades. We fought many situations. We fought for our statehood. And the people of the state have realized, and they know, that for us as a state to move forward and to be able to achieve the dreams that we all have for our people and for our state is not by dividing our people and playing divisive politics. But we can only achieve our goal and move forward with our vision for our people by ensuring that we are united. And that is the purpose of this program today, to give the message to the people of the region and the state as a whole, that while there are political parties who are hell-bent on dividing the state and playing divisive politics and trying to gain political mileage by creating animosity and hatred, here there is a political party that believes in humanity, that believes in loving all communities, that believes in uniting our people and taking our state forward in the path of development. And that is the principle on which the National People's Party today is working. I'm truly honored that today we have been able to officially welcome an individual, a human being, a man who needs no introduction. Apart from being among the top 10 professors among the Khasis in Meghalaya, apart from being in the Khasi Author Society for more than 22 years, for being the president for more than 12 years, apart from being a person who fears God, whose spirituality is beyond any doubt, whose faith is unshakable, Dr. Nonglait, in one word, is a simple and a down-to-earth human being who loves his people and who loves his state, and without any form of any violence, without any form of going and creating different problems on the streets. Dr. Nonglait has set an example of commitment, of perseverance, of non-violence, and proved that if your intentions are right, if your heart is in the right place, and your determination is unshakable, we will achieve our goal one day. And today you compare. There are certain political parties who believe in street politics, who believe that creating a problem and creating violence, calling people and non-democratically or undemocratically trying to express their concerns, while you have individuals and parties like this. Dr. Nonglait stands as an example. He stands as an example to show that as a citizen of this country, as a citizen of this state, as a true Christian, as a true Khasi, I believe in ensuring that I follow principles, that I will achieve my goal. It may take me long, but I will achieve my goal through non-violence, through democratic ways, and through constitutional ways. And that is why, my dear family of the National People's Party, we are indeed truly honored and extremely lucky that today we have Dr. DRL Nonglait as the official candidate for this MP by-election in Lok Sabha in Shillong seat in the form of Dr. DRL Nonglait. Let's give another round of applause for this amazing blessing that has come from above. Friends, I've always believed, and I say this again and again, that we as men, as human beings, we may want many things to happen, but it is the Almighty that plans everything for us. What is happening here today in this historic moment is nothing short of God's plan. For God's plan for Shillong seat for Khasi Jatia region, God's plan for our parliament, God's plan for our state of Meghalaya, and God's plan for our family of the National People's Party. Friends, I truly believe that the way Dr. Nonglait has captained the ship that led to the declaration of Khasi and Garo as official languages in our state, I believe his work is only half done. It took 14 years and extreme dedication from his side to achieve the goal that he has achieved. I believe that it is God's plan, that it is through Dr. Nonglait that we will be able to take our demand further to the next step in Parliament, to be able to raise the concerns and ensure that Khasi language and Garo language are brought in to the 8th schedule list of the Constitution of India. And it is our responsibility as party leaders, as party workers, and as citizens, committed citizens, citizens who believe and have faith in our people, in our culture, and are proud of our identity. It is your and my responsibility to ensure that we leave no stone unturned so that we will come victorious, and Dr. DRL Nonglait will come out victorious in this Lok Sabha by-election. Friends, when it comes to governance, and when it comes to overall working with central government, let us be very frank. Working along and working with the team that is in the ruling is very different from having a representative who is from the opposition. Let us be very clear. Today, with due respect to our past leaders, especially in the Shillong city, we had communicated Shillong constituency. We had communicated once or twice. We had met once or twice. And with great respect to the departed soul, we tried our best to work for the betterment of the people, especially in the parliamentary seat of Khasi Jatia Hills. But because of party differences, political differences, what we could have achieved was short of the few things that we could do. And hence, I urge the people of Khasi Jatia region, help us, work with us, so that we can have a stronger positioning along with our central government, so we can have our representative from Khasi Jatia region to work in line with the state government, so that whatever issues are taken up at Deputy CM level, at Minister's level, or at Chief Minister's level can further be taken up by our Lok Sabha representative from Khasi Jatia Hills region. And that is more a reason why we should ensure that we work tirelessly to ensure the victory of Dr. Nonglait. Yesterday, I was quite disappointed. As you're aware, that there was an expert committee that had made a report and come out with a report on the reservation issue. And based on the demands that were given by the opposition on the floor of the House, that an all-party meeting should be called to further discuss the report and deliberate on further actions that should be taken, I had called a meeting yesterday of all the political parties. But sadly, while all the other political parties attended, one political party who in the beginning had raised this issue and tried to show to the region and the people that they are very, very concerned about this issue and that they will fight for this issue to the last breath. And yesterday, I received a letter from them saying that they have other pressing issues because of which they can't come for this particular issue. Friends, as we say in English, we have to walk the talk. And as I said in the beginning, it is not just our words, it is our deeds that matter. If you love your people and if you love your land, show it in action. Show it democratically. And show it constitutionally. The government is here to serve the people. Friends, the last 8 years have not been easy for us. There is no one single issue that was there for the last 50 years that previous governments could not, with due respect, were not able to touch or resolve. But it is this NPP-led government that took the decisions, difficult decisions, took up the challenge, put the people in front, believed that it's not just words, but in our deeds and in our action that we have to show our love and our love for our people and our land. And that is why in the last 8 years, whether it's the boundary issue, whether it's the issue of having the SC certificate in GHUDC, whether simple aspects of having our own state anthem, having our own state emblem, whether it's the issue of Khasi and Garo becoming official languages. Many such issues were taken up by this NPP-led government. And therefore, my friends, I am here today to urge each and every one of you. This is our moment. I don't think any political party can have a better candidate than Dr. DRL Nonglait. A person who believes that it is deeds that matter more, a person who has walked the talk, a person who has proved himself, and a person who believes in uniting our people and not dividing. And with him as our candidature, the political party that came up step by step, piece by piece, putting one block after another together, and people seeing the commitment that the party had towards the state. Our friends from other political parties joined us. In the last 12 to 13 years, our party has grown from strength to strength, not because of any individual, but because in the National People's Party, we are a family, we are united, and we ensure that we keep our people before any personal interest or any personal action. For us, it is our deeds that matter. And today, if we were able to bring this candidate and this party together, I believe this is our moment. And I know that with the hard work that each one of you will put in, we will win this election. We will win this election. But for us to be able to do that, we cannot rest. We cannot even lose a single day. And each one of us sitting here has to be a true worker of the party. There are times in the political party when we ourselves start pointing fingers at each other. You will see in different party meetings or in offices, gossiping will start. Oh, that person, is really bad. He doesn't do like that. I don't know why he's not. How can we be a united force? I'm not saying everybody does this. But somewhere along the line, as human beings, we do tend to slip. We do tend to come out with one or two comments. Let us refrain. Let us ensure that every word that comes out of our mouth, when we talk about our leaders, our colleagues, our party, our state, our government, should be a positive note. When you're sitting in a wedding, when you're sitting in a small meeting in your village, in your locality, that is the moment you will show your true color and your commitment towards the National People's Party. I want all the 10,000 people who are present here today to tell themselves that I will not rest in the next 90 days till this election, or whichever date this election is done, that every single day I will touch 10, 15, 20 people, and I will campaign for Dr. DRL Nonglait. I will campaign for the party. Keep a note of it. Maintain what you're doing, what are the issues, share it with your leaders, and ensure that there is a grassroots mechanism to ensure that we are able to move at all different levels to ensure that this campaign becomes a full grassroots campaign all the way to every single village, every single polling station. Once again, I thank each and every one of you present out here. I also would like to thank our little sisters. What an amazing performance. Let us give them another round of applause. I request could write and compose a song for the National People's Party. I'll be the happiest person, purely on professional terms. You are a professional group, but on a professional terms, I would urge in front of 10,000 people that if you could do that for us, I'll be the happiest person. As I said, nothing political, purely professional. Once again, I welcome Dr. DRL Nonglait to our family, and let me assure you on behalf of every member that, Doctor, we are behind you. We will work day and night. We will leave no stone unturned. And from today till your election, I repeat, only till your election. After that, again, I will take my original position. But till the election, I am your worker. I am your worker. I am not the national president. I will work behind you. I will stand behind you. And I will work like a common worker of the party, not as a national president. I will do my role as national president. But if I have to pick up the chairs and put the chairs on the side, if I have to hoist the flag, if I have to stick the poster, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, doctor. And that is the spirit with which we will have to move each and every single family member of the National People's Party. And it is only then will we come out victorious in this election.
Jadi sisa ketu ke video ke pelapani mende terbiang jenga yang mentah bangkren terburai jad bakla hajen ni la sisa ngadon na pedang ke timbam biang gamet kepat kedan ke jiong ada step yang South Ligi ijat ada performance yang North Ligi ijat bat ada por janjir yang South Ligi ijat dua kita ketika por ke ba haga jin ke jumi dan belum di sifar South Ligi ijat dalam set lakran bersama North Ligi ijat bat mentah lah hamba hab yang South Ligi ijat ngadon ke jing snow kendiat ke jing snow long wet katu kene regan itu pingam sumpang ngapur rengi al nitrate but kumure kadang ka kendiat ke jing patis ye fossil dikumtang layo ke jing sumar kebapian ngala manaten ke meetings ngala dan let jingat tambah ngambang berja jingat di ngamdan jik supaya raya, apne gini kijie dan iwe lagi longkumi, ibarai betray lang tak ni hak kasih author society, itu agak ketian padang yang no pain, no gain. Di kumta, nawan hangge, walaki bangat ko andai ngeklan. Kami berjumpa kena. Dan let jilid dan campaign nak benda kena ke election. Ini tu api kena kumno ye tendu bertino dalam jangka National People's Party. Nak kami tendu bagi officer sarkar. Nama kekam kebangan atrai kalong marsenda bagi Department of Health Justice Department. Dan kipor ki bangang wan secretariat dan kipor ki bagi officer nangni ki wan cha ka office jona apo niku ai kipor bagi kong amperin lindo ibang kita mau ya ka yin ka sem ka jumi lemba ilet ma iji mak banyang walau mental jona kipor bangang sama di tempat di health department di officer jami tujuan bana makapor bak kelak bani iru ada video mene bak submit ikat kislah but kum kita kiji kendo hnai gam da thamye kendo ya ki minister kum yu chief minister Sri Conrad ke samara ni ye iba preston ni imas nyobha bas lamba ngamju thamye kendo iki bakatu ganesnan hnai baki officer bakher jauh Department of Health jauh sarkar ya kendo aki meetings bat office kebangan dan tendai kaya kebaca hadir jauh dari kaji penolong ketir sarkar ya ketir khasi ngalaslo ba lakum ngira kerja ya way momer bakongsan bangga perkat kaptu ajai-ajai yang pendet jimat ikam apa university. Amal gadam ikam ke bakia ban pek ye ni department ke college government council hai ke baki nong ikai ba khamram ba banyenga kentuk yo professor dams badan peringkat tengah hangi ibara terwai kirten jona ban bat ye kene ikam kum director jangka college development council ban pek unduna ye ki hendai khotli the colleges of Jammu State control the professional but technical institutions. Nam simple berkat bahkan don AA yang anak kita election what ada kadang ka media speculation bahkan yang lembaga generate lane bahkan mandur lembaga di trade juga AI dan tempat lama MP yang itu kita kiba dan lupa agak Indonesia mulai dengan itu they had a live portrait. It was on the 30th of last month that I received a phone call from an unknown number calling me saying this is Conrad Sharma. It was very surprising. Why the Chief Minister is calling me? I just said, "Good afternoon, sir." Then he hinted the purpose of his calling. And I said, now I'm in hospital, I cannot meet you anywhere. Then I kata ko wong tokren no yoba Kristun, idan hangi bagna. Di hakata ko ba Kristun ikren yung idan hangi, but Ngan itu baik pi kumpar lakuan, ngiran kami pi. Kalau kumno pindan kami ngapa, ngangan pencianya ke surga, man oleh surga leno ikan leno ikatai. Kumno pindan kami ngiran kami pi. Yang minta kita nuskan si terjemit, kin sekolah yo inga, but lasai kasi menit, lesi. Naman ngamla mangwan, dan ilek sudah jino, bila alam pa ikatim joki si yeng jemaah. Hakapor niyo baje mendiet. Dari hakapor niyo baje mendiet. Iwan siyen ngana perkat sanut drumut kinwan. Tenrei kilawan imat kumba hatra dale alkomer. Baro ki district president, ki secretary jawke district units, bat kumjuro nagle gastir level lapo kijiram jawi ba hamlet dole bat iba HM Syangkliang. Tapi orang yang tempat tinggal bang nilai naga NPP, naga bentar kenika MP by election. Ketika new item, hak agenda juga jadi jangan. Bang nilai MP, but naga NPP ke dalam ruling party jom kegaman. Ngawang yaki kini tengah harban terkat dengan snowbrom ni kejiwan cengki hamrai hamma man ai garai tiki kepat dengan ban perkat bat ban ai ni keji tempat hamkloi ngawang lada ke kloi katlo lakum no sansni indusni dalam kan ban thauban wa man analyze bat hai kita sansni indusni pedang keji ko kumni ngahaban let separyong Jika kebangisan nasa matang haban let siya laubetun agi mai benekendo yaki Pynbna iki kijanga ata benekendo iki kelit kijanga ki padlok ti kata dalam ka jinjia bat hagian bang lapakat menien janme malasim ni kabai bagan diam yakini keji kepat keji terua jong parti bang rong si parti bang official candidate jong ka NPP naga minta kenika MP by election sa parliament minta haki kindir naik pangwan minta pai kumno ke jinong jong sensyar kadar ka sensyar kadar hoi ngidan ha ke juk jog ke jinjat sapran harai hima bat ong bab di AKA baro ki biang naga jong ke government National People's Party lele ke bala banwana ye ke government hanai nima ban ong ba di AKA baro ki biang nadong sedang kanu ka parti kadang lagi jie kanu ka parti kadang lagi jong ki jingna ba undang ka wero ka parti ke bagian nadong sedang undang ro uway beliau ubabian nadong sedang. Baro nilong iba duna bat kiba dankam ya kaban penha dan pendek pendian ya lebih ya kapati lani ya kesorkar. Ngai ya kejadian jom ke memberiu memberiu. Ngai ya kejadian jom ke jimat jimat hati keberiu hati Yesus. Dikumta kasihnya kadang kali keway nak akhir ba bantai ya ke imlang kesalan ya ke jingong tingem bat ya ke jingga cakran. Dia pedang ke bakum kali ke jingong jom kasihnya kadang bat ke imlang kesalan. Namaran ya ke ban ya so bat ke NPP bat banisim menta ha kasihnya kadang with a clear purpose to build, to be the salt and the light. Dan di bawah ini balai Dr. Lecture Politics. Nama lecture politics, but kini gitu, katakan bantai, bangun kamu, but kecisa. Katakan ketim kira balai lecture politics. Kumno baginde yakende. Kumno ban pun ulong ye kita ngaji semua. Kalau bandai siapa ba? Sekilap kijar bagi para nongsos nong. Ban pun jai-jai ye kita mau kita kata. Ban weno ye kijing ya king bandan nong. Baru ni lasi ya king hakini kapor, hakini Islam. Ni iya kijing ki palo ban wengno yeki kijing king iba klem nongren ban wengno yeki kijing ye isi padon nonchos nong bat bande iki da kijing iya yeki parabriyo lada pi iya yo parabriyo kimla nong ki iya keturi bat yeki keturi Yesu kibangan yakun kilong kito kibangan klem mene ngan kedau su iki hendai la kunno ngan ong yang sen kum kajimban ban penrong ye tin khasi hapo ke knet kebakra ban pensemai ban transform ye education ye ka pule ka puti nado elementary hadu higher secondary ban kentiu ban penyan ye ka higher and technical education ngai kulai ya kasorka kabratung yo mame banwanra ya ka Shillong Medical College but ya ka Shillong Engineering College sa artli ki nursing college kindanwanra nagaling ko na that's why bang ay ka permission na ka banda ki artli ki nursing college ngalayo ya ka ban step na ka banta ban pendek ya ka syllabus jump ke Shillong Medical College bat ke Shillong Engineering College ban pendong ye ki board ban pendek penbian ye ki syllabus dakaba na khot ki bandong emergent meeting ka way ka board hagien ka way pa na magbon ka ligi subject kita apa ka Medical College bat Engineering College dan kaya ki boards ko prepare we have it 92 boards ibadat siya school board hado ka academic council ka state government ko ngin plino menta na hat ye kaban trade bat ka officer jongpi na kam tabat pundat step ye kini ka kum ta ko ban tintiu hakani ka jo ya ka technical but professional education hapo ajam betala kajimana ya ka state university kalau way pat umaume wala da ka jisdang kalau in a humble way hata durbam pat bit pabian hanai ladangayona bani trade da kasurkan hakini kam lani khamha ladau padau ibet ya kaban tha jenga sia parliament ka state university Williamson State University kan yaran kat board bat ki way pat di Central University kadani QAT issues nila bangkren urban development Kaji Pegawai Council, Penelek Pensa, ya ke kausar ke jongi ki riti ki dostur ke jongi da ka biasa sebab bat ki borsnong ki borlima wat ke district council nindai badan ke jing ya persya handai nilai banyetai dengan bar state government but ki ministry jong ka sarkar India ki bakin tio ya ka jing ong depan jong ki cai beriu rifa hapo jong kali ngaran sibun bantren handai kapor kamsha yamenta ngai ke jing khulai ke bok ke ben yekinong elam ke jing wai juga ba kinong elam jong sarkar ba ka parti kinyo yekati start ba ke jing tinggal na kalian jonga ngamkua bahawa pengajuan dari wandrung seka politics bandang pentobria dari wepat ikam nalor ke JM kebangan ulong orang sekata hati minta dari lagi talabau kalau on one dari simenta ada politics bat ada jisusya daga jitbu dan long kamdo ke jisa bat bantai kumai semua